Hey, what is up, y'all? It's your boy G-Man here, and he'll always be here. My coolness will always be a weight. My coolness will always be a weight. Hey, yo, what is up, y'all? And welcome back to my channel. My name is G-ManHere, and welcome back to my kitchen for our 12th recipe. Let's get on this journey. Alright, you guys, welcome back for a new recipe and returning dessert recipes. This is the Be My Pal Cupcakes from Monsters University. It's all simple you need. All you need some cake batter, use chocolate. First thing we gotta do is add your chocolate cake batter. I'll pick that up. Alright, I gotta pick this up. I know there's a lot of cake batter, but I'm gonna try to make sure that none of this doesn't go to waste. Now, next thing you're gonna need is add 3 eggs. I know I'm kind of yacked. Now, all you need is 1 cup of water. That lid fell off. And you'll need 1/4 cup of oil. Yeah, 1/4 cup. Yeah, this is it. Now that you got everything together, now it's time to whisk. And make sure everything is dissolved in this cake batter. Because make sure to break off the big pieces of cake batter smaller so it gets dissolved and soft. Alrighty, guys, now you got your cake batter all dissolved and mixed up. Now it's time to add your cupcake into your cupcake pan. You're gonna need 7 cupcakes to spell out B-E-M-Y-P-A-L, Be My Pal. You're gonna need 7 cupcakes. I know I made too much. I'm trying to use all this cake batter so none of this doesn't go to waste. Alrighty, guys, now gently pour in your cake batter. Probably best to use like a spoon or something to scoop in, be a lot easier. I'll catch you guys later once I finish fill it. Alright, sorry guys. I just gotta clean everything. I just gotta clean myself off after I was enjoying it. Like how your kids like to enjoy cake batter, some leftovers. But anyway, place this in your 350 degree Fahrenheit oven for about 12 to 15 minutes. I have a toaster oven since last time I told you put it on bake, and I'll catch you later. Alright guys, after a long time of baking, now it is time to spread up your frostings. Alright, you guys, last but not least, it's time to frost the letters. Alright, you guys. These cupcakes are finished. Oops. That could have been embarrassing. Good frosting. I'll be right back. Take picture thumbnail. See you later. Well, thumbnail's taken. Now before I taste test one of these cupcakes, I'm gonna try and spell out lame on my head. This is so hard. It's hard for me to get to my other eye, to my head, when Randy was knocked over and Cupcakes fell and landed on his head and spelled out lame. Well, time for a taste test. Gotta say, these are really good. Thanks so much for watching, guys. If you enjoyed this video, make sure you smash that like button and more ideas for cooking videos. Yeah. And I know I said this earlier. I said I was going to Wichita for a business trip, but I made a better idea, which would be a lot closer to me, Kansas. I know. I'm going to the water park instead for a 3-day vacation in Garden City and to a spa. That's pretty much it, guys. I love you guys. Until next time on CMP. My coolness will always be a weight. My coolness will always be a weight.